Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, October 12th. In today's video, I have two plays for you. Before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow closed up again at 0.19% at 33,804. The Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed up 0.71% at 13,659. The Nas. Apple spiked 0.79% yesterday, trading at $179.80. Apple. The big winner yesterday was Dave's play, TPST. The stock closed up 2,879% at $7.15. Let me repeat that for the folks sitting in the back. I said the stock closed up a whopping, an eye-popping, an epic 2,879% at $7.15. The stock opened at $2.13, spiked as high as $9.77. The volume yesterday, 157 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 2 million. You had all day to get into this one. This one was spiking all day. TPST. This is the kind of moves why I have this channel, for supernova moves like these. These are the type of moves that could change your life, change your portfolio exponentially. Okay, let me cut the blatherskite and get on with the plays. Dave plays today is a SP play. In and out, grab and go, one and move. Do not overstay your welcome. SECO. SECO is up 668% in the pre-markets, trading at $2.45 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre, $3.48. Wait for some more pullback on this one before you make a entrance. There's no news out, but we just ride in price action. This one is in an internet retail space headquarters out of China. And what did I always tell you about Chinese stocks? They have a propensity to spike for days, and also they're riddled with fraud. There's no other way to say it. This one closed up 11% yesterday. Volume yesterday was 500K. SECO. This one has spikeability. For example, on May 2nd, the stock went from 74 cents to $1.45. Volume that day was 18 million. Also on April 4th, the stock went from 59 cents to $1.88 on a volume of 91 million shares exchanged hands. And February 6th, the stock went from $1.65 all the way to $5.03. The volume that day was 80 million shares exchanged hands. SECO. So you see this one could spike. Okay, let's see what happens today. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 2 million, 5 million in the float. 18% of the float are held by institutions. They have a revenue of 2.77 billion. 2.77 billion in revenues. Their revenue per share is 392.10. 118 million in gross profit. They have a total cash of 78 million and a total debt of a high 1.5 billion. However, their current ratio is sitting above par. Their current ratio is sitting at 2.47. A current ratio measures the company's short-term debt, 6 months to a year. This one won't be going bankrupt within the short term. 2.47, their current ratio. A current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, the company has $1 in cash. Please put in stock today, OPGN. OPGN is up 489% at $1.98. The higher day in the pre-markets, $3.93. So you have to respect this one, OPGN. The company came out with news. Go ahead and read up the news on your own time, your own term. This one is in the medical devices space, headquarters out of Maryland. This one has spikeability as well. For example, on September 29th, the stock went from 20 cents all the way to 58 cents. The volume that day, 96 million. And on December 13th, the stock went from $2.34 all the way to $9.06. The volume that day was 12 million. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 3 million. They have 8 million in the float. This is OPGN. They have a total cash of 3 million and a total debt of 12 million. Their current ratio is sitting lousy at 0.58, way below par. Okay, 0.58, their current ratio for OPGN. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at the Petite for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well. I'll see you next time. Please donate to the channel. Check out the description for ways you could do that. Let that sink in. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.